Okay, well it's time to get the snow tires off of this Mustang. This Mustang is fitted with I've got the studded tires on here for winter driving, and these cheap hubcaps. Let's change this out now. Our weather is getting good. Let's change this out, put the alloys on. Okay, well here's these alloys, and a few videos back, I guess last season, I peeled all of the plasti dip that was on there. So for a couple years we had the plasti dip look on those, and it held up really well, but we were kind of getting tired of that, so I peeled that all off, and I'm looking at these wheels and tires now. I have just cleaned them up, and they're quite corroded. I mean, they would look good from 20 feet back, but if you look up close, the clear coat is pretty much pitted, and you get all these little, they look like little spider lines. That's all corrosion. So they're not looking that good. So I think the idea now is, I mean, I'm just playing around with this. I'm going to paint these rims. And I did like the plasti dip look, except the plasti dip was, it was a flat black. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make these wheels gloss black. So I'm just going to set up here. I bought a deck of cards. Where did I put them? Right here. And I use these to, I just also painted the old spare tire for my Mercury Comet. I kind of painted that in a chrome paint. And I used the deck of cards. I fan the cards all around, and it really keeps the paint off the tires, and it works quite well. So I'm going to give these one more wipe down, and I'm going to set up here with my cards, and I'm going to rattle can these. Let's see how they look. Okay, so here's my wheels all wiped down, and I got the cards all around. 2 decks of cards was not enough for all 4 wheels, but it's enough for 3. So I'm going to start spraying, and I'm going to do this one first, and then as I move along, I'll pick up these cards and move them down there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so these have been curing for a couple days, mostly because our weather was so damp. I'm going to give them another coat and then we'll throw them on the car. See how durable this is. Just rattle can trim clad. Alright. Okay, well here's these rims painted up. Just regular trim clad paint, few coats. They look good. They look good. I'm not sure how durable this is going to be, but they look good. Of course the car is filthy, disgusting, but the blackened wheels for a quick scuff and spray turned out pretty good. Yeah, we'll try that for a while. Thanks for watching.